Hi guys, welcome to Exam Pad. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how to handle the cube root problems. So here is an example for cube root. So let's learn how to solve these types of problems. So let's move to the questions. So they have given the cube root of 54 and cube root of 16 and cube root of 250 minus plus. Okay. So first, before we are going to solve this, I'm going to split and write this 54. So how we can able to split this? As usual, move to the LCM method. Therefore, I'm going to take that 54 here. So 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 7 2s are 40. Similarly, 3, 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9. And 3 and 1. Okay, so here cube root. So cube root means we have to see how many cubes is present inside this number. So if we see here how many cubes, there is only one cube number, that is 3 cube is there into 2. So this can be written as, so instead of this I'm going to write that, I'm going to write this cube root as it is, okay, which was there here. And I'm going to write, instead of 54, I'm going to write 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube. Okay. Similarly, I'm going to do the same thing for another two numbers. So, another number is 16, 2, 8, 2, 4 2s are 8, 2, 2 2s are 4, 2, 1. So, if we see here, how many cube numbers is there? 2 cube is there into 2 is there. So here minus, here in question minus, so I am going to use that minus here. And again I am going to take cube root. Instead of 16, what I am going to write? 2 into this 2 into 2 cube. Is it? Similarly, I am going to do the same thing for this 250. For 250, I am going to take this. So if we see here, it will come in 5 table. So 5 5s are 25. So 0, 5, 10. So again this will come in 5. So 5 2s are 10. So 2 is there, balance 1. Okay, if you see here the cube number is 5 and remaining is 2. So here plus is there in question. I am going to write this plus. Instead of 250, I am going to write 5 cube into this 2. Okay. Now I am going to simplify this. So for that what I have to do? We know that we can write that cube root of a can be written as a power 1 by 3. Okay. Just change and write this terms. So this is equal to 2 into 3 cube the whole power. Instead of cube root I am going to write 1 by 3 minus here 2 into 2 cube. Instead of cube root I am going to write 1 by 3. Here 5 cube into 2. Instead of cube root I am going to write 1 by 3. Okay. Now this is in the format of a power a into b. The whole power m can be written as a power m into b power m. Okay, just apply this rule in the place of each term. Therefore, this becomes here 2 power 1 by 3 into here 3 cube the whole power 1 by 3. Okay, so minus of, so I am going to write this in square bracket for understanding. So again I am going to open the square bracket. I am going to write 2 power 1 by 3 into 2 cube the whole power 1 by 3. So now I am going to close the square bracket plus, open the square bracket, 5 cube the whole power 1 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 3. I am going to close this square bracket. Okay. Now try to solve this. 3 is equal to, here we can't able to do anything here, so I'm going to keep writing this as it is into, so these will be in multiplication. So if I multiply these two, these 3 and this 3 get cancelled, so the remaining is 3 minus, similarly here we can't do anything here, so 2 power 1 by 3 into, so these 2 will be in multiplication, this 3 and this 3 get cancelled, so the remaining is 2 plus, here these 2 will be in multiplication, this 3 and this 3 get cancelled, and remaining is 5 into 2 power 1 by 3. Okay. If you see this each term, what will be common in each terms? Here 2 power 1 by 3 is common, here 2 power 1 by 3 is common, here 2 power 1 by 3 is common. So if I'm going to take this 2 power 1 by 3 out, then I'm going to take 2 power 1 by 3 out. So here if I take out, here remaining is 3. Here remaining is minus 2. Plus here remaining is 5. Okay, so just simplify this. What I will get is 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 5 is 1 plus 5 is 6. So 6 into 2 power 1 by 3. This 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into 2 power 1 by 3. So if we see here 2 is, we have 2 terms. So this can be written as, so I'm going to write this 3 as it is. The base is same, the power get added. Therefore 2 power 1, here 1 is there. So 1 plus 1 by 3. So 3 into 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 2 power 4 by 3. Therefore, the answer for this question is 3 into 2 power 4 by 3. So the answer for this complicated sum is 3 into 2 power 4 by 3. That is 3 of 2 power 4 by 3. So, in your option, which answer is there? Please select that. Please practice twice or thrice, then you will get a perfect answer. Hope you like this problem. Have a nice day. Bye bye.